Quilted Christmas ornaments offer a charming way to add a personal handmade touch to your holiday decorations. These delightful creations allow quilters to use fabric scraps and experiment with techniques on a small scale, making them perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. Not only do quilted ornaments enhance your tree, but they also make thoughtful gifts that will be cherished for years to come. Let's explore some of the best free patterns available to help you create these festive ornaments this holiday season. One standout option is the Crazy Quilt Ornament pattern by Melissa of Malake Designs. This quick and easy project lets you showcase your creativity with improvisational piecing and a vibrant mix of colors and textures. Each 3-inch square ornament becomes a miniature masterpiece. For those who love traditional quilt blocks, Jen Van Orman's Christmas Ornaments pattern features miniature versions of the classic churn dash and sawtooth star blocks. These 3.5-inch ornaments are perfect for showcasing your favorite Christmas fabrics or using up scraps. If you're looking for a modern twist, consider the Gyo Holiday Ornaments pattern by Brianna Roberts. These 6x7-inch ornaments combine piecing and English paper piecing techniques to create a mesmerizing starburst effect. For a touch of whimsy, try the Gingerbread House Ornament pattern by Sedef of Down Grapevine Lane. This adorable felt ornament features a charming gingerbread house adorned with colorful sequins and beads, making it a festive and eye-catching addition to your tree. If you prefer a no-sew option, the Star Ornament pattern offers a stunning 6 3/4-inch folded fabric ornament. This project is perfect for crafters of all ages and skill levels, allowing you to create beautiful star-shaped decorations with just fabric strips and clever folds. Whether you choose a free pattern or invest in a paid one, creating quilted Christmas ornaments is a wonderful way to express your creativity and add a personal touch to your holiday decor. Want more quilted Christmas ornament inspiration? Deck the halls with creative ideas from ilovequiltingforever.com. So gather your fabric scraps, dust off your sewing machine, and start stitching some festive cheer today.